I would say a lot of carriers are operating systems which are just as big as a quantum computer if you look at those old mainframes which are in place in the data centers. So from a size perspective, they are at the same size. Other than that, I would say actually from a technology standpoint, and this is what, Markus, you can then add to it. I think from a cargo perspective, when we explain to cargo people what technology can do to them, basically they think it's rocket science. And it's not rocket science. What we are trying to do is actually to use this smart form in the cargo industry. And Daniel had once a perfect example, and that not a Nokia 6130, which is 20 years old. And that's exactly what's currently happening. And I'm happy actually, and this is what we are feeling in the cargo space through COVID-19. We are seeing this mindset change, which we already spoke about in different sessions. But definitely, if we look at the usage of technology in other industries, we as an industry are still far behind. And I'm not talking about quantum computing. I'm talking about the real usage of data, the real usage of automation, the real usage of machine learning, or even 3D printers in the MRO space. I don't know, all these kinds of things. I think it's all technologies which are there. And it's not about implementing them into our industry. It's basically educating the people what it can do for them. And perhaps then we enlighten them, and then they will see, okay, we need to do this because that will bring us in a stage where we are sustainable and survive.